Halo murid ibu yang terpelajar, Assalamualaikum. Video kali ini kita lanjutkan materi English in Mind Second Edition untuk kurikulum Merdeka bagi siswa kelas 10 SMA atau SMK. Kali ini kita masih membahas chapter 2, A True Friend, Speak and Read. So, without any further ado, let's get started.
Unit 2, Exercise 3B. Read and listen to the second part of the story. What mistake has Llewellyn made?
As Prince Llewellyn looked at his dead dog on the floor, he knew that he had done something wrong. He looked around the room and he saw that there had been a fight. There were clothes and broken dishes on the floor. There was a lot more blood, too. And then he heard the sound of a baby crying. The noise was coming from under the cot. The prince slowly lifted it up. There was his baby son, alive and well. On the floor behind the cot, he saw the body of a dead wolf. And then the prince realized. Gelert hadn't killed his son. He had hidden the baby and killed the wolf. Prince Llewellyn was heartbroken. He organized a great ceremony to bury the dog that had saved his son's life. He visited the grave every day until he died.